Hello for everyone! Kamusta po kayo dyan sa Vietnam Luchan? Lalo-lalo na sa mga tatay. Happy Father's Day po sa inyong lahat, especially to my beloved Brother Arnel. Happy Father's Day to you. Ang dalangin ko lagi ay higit tayo na pagpalain ng Diyos sa ating mga ministeryo na tinanggap mula sa ating Panginoon. Kaya I miss you and I love you. Bumalik ka na dito sa Hong Kong. Inaantay kita. Happy Father's Day and God bless!
Hello, Dada. Happy Father's Day. I love you. Thank you for everything in the world. I love you. Happy Father's Day, Daddy. That's what I want to do. Father's Day. I love you. Bye-bye. Mwah.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. You're the best dad that God has given me. Daddy, thank you for your efforts. Thank you for your hard works. For always providing for me and Mama. Daddy, even though you're tired, masakit yung ulo mo, masakit yung katawan mo, you still manage to stand up and work. And that makes you the strong father as you are. Daddy, thank you for everything. Lagi kang mag-iingat dyan. And me and Mama here will always miss you and support you like you support us. Duray na kaungungit ka kay kaya't kalata. Always keep safe. Love you.
Sino mas love ni Pepet? Mama, Papa? Sino mas love ni Pepet? Mama, Papa? Sino mas love ni Pepet?
Papa.
Sino mas love mo? Mama, Papa?
Papa.
Mama, Papa? Sino mas love mo? Mama, Papa?
Happy Father's Day, Dada.
This is my sweet Daddy.
I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy.
Go!
Happy Father's Day, Papa! We love you! There's a farm there. Yes. Very hot.
Happy Father's Day na! LA and Justin. Be good there in Vietnam. Okay, and always pray. Love you na. Hello, Di! Happy Father's Day! Kumusta naman po kayo dyan? Tsaka yung kapatid kong maliit na babae. Nakalimutan ko pangalan niya. Pero, thank you po sa suporta niya over these few years, the 6 years, na di mo ako pinabayaan na every month binibigyan mo ako. Kaya, thank you po. I give my dearest, I give my dearest love to you. I love you. Bye-bye!
Magandang araw po sa lahat ng mga kapatid sa dako ng Vietnam. Binabati ko po ang lahat ng mga tatay ng Happy Father's Day. And God bless po sa inyong lahat. Maging sa aking Papa, Pastor Joe. Thank you po sa laging pagpapaalala, laging pagre-remind sa akin, lalo na pagdating sa pananampalataya. God bless po, ingat po kayo lagi dyan sa dako ng Vietnam. God bless din po sa ministry nyo. And sa lahat po ng mga tatay dyan, Happy Father's Day po. Happy Father's Day pa. I love you.
Papa, Happy Father's Day. Thank you, Papa, that you accepted the ministry that was handed to you by God. Thank you, Papa, then that you're always taking care of us, me, Mama, and Kion. You're always teaching me, giving me advice, words of wisdom. I hope that you grow more in your ministry and that always stay strong because you're 50 na, you're not young na. Always be strong in the Lord and always be strong in the help that you're doing every day for the ministry. Love you, Papa. Happy Father's Day. Mwah.
Papa, thank you. I love you. Happy Father's Day.